You're talking about something on your phone, dude?
Oh, he's Minnie. Yeah. Here. See, can we get you, Minnie? Oh, there we go. Yeah. Yes, we found a little baby lizard. Oh. Some pictures by this cute little sandcastle. We are here at Disney's Blizzard Beach Water Park. The rest of our family is just arriving. So we're gonna go play in the water. Let me turn around so you guys can see me. We are gonna have a blast today. It's supposed to be one of the warmest days we're here. So we figured coming to the water park today would be perfect. So yeah, we'll bring you guys along and have some fun. Oh, also, I forgot to say, if you're new, let me know down below. And that way I can say hello and we can chit chat with you guys. We always love to talk to you guys and try to reply to all the comments that we get. So yes, if you're new, welcome. If you're not new, hi again, guys. We'll see you in the park. Hi, Becky.
Don't run.
Walk.
Walk.
Oh, a swim. Hey.
Sarah, you want to go on the slide with me?
Go, Becky, go. Woohoo. Woohoo! So fun! Fun, huh? Super fun! Listening.
Okay, so you want to go on the slide? You want to slide? Okay.
Okay, good.
I think we're going to go on that slide. Okay. I don't know how we get
Hi, buddy. I can come. Yeah, how do you get to the slide? Go around that way. That way.
You can go that way or you can go that way.
Oh, okay. Want to go on the slide with them?
Thank you.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yes, on your butt.
Yes.
Go on your bottom. Whoa. Triple slider. Okay. Getting crazy in the water.
That was cool going backwards, Ty. It made this big wow.
I'm gonna get you.
Hold on, I'm gonna try and float a little bit.
Okay. Get it, relax your neck.
I'm swimming!
Good job.
work for me.
That's calm. Woo! Go for ya! Woo! Good job! Come on, Kai. Oh, you made it.
That's so fun. It's like, it's not,
Almost there. Good job. Woohoo! Go! Go, go, go! Oh! That was funny. Oh! That was funny.
Mommy.
Huh. Oh. That gives up. Hi, boys. Say cheese, brother. Brother. Say cheese. Sebastian. Brother. Got it. Yay. Keep going, brother. Woohoo! Hi there. Come here. Hi, girl.
Did you get a pig?
Yeah.
Can you go with your hands up? There you go.
Oh.
Good job, baby.
I got Yassie.
Hi.
Me. And hold on, let me flip it. And we got Daddy.
Hey!
Hey, people. Hi, Sarah.
Mommy.
So we are at the wave
Relax
pool.
your legs.
See everybody behind
Legs
us.
just like flop around.
Let them flop around. Woo! Hi guys. Oh, sorry about the sun. I got my Fia here. Say hi, Fia. Hi. So we had a great time at the water park. So much fun. We are now at Disney Springs, so we're gonna kind of walk around and check it out. And we're also gonna get some dinner. Oh, say hi, Yaya.
Hi.
Say- Yay, good job. Okay.
Yeah.
Go.
Voila. Hello.
Very good.
Good job, baby. Smile at me. Okay, go. Go, cartwheels! Go! Whoop! Good try, Thea! Yay! Okay.
Yeah, you know it. You know. You're right.
Keep going, come on.
Facts.
Come and get me, guys.
Oh, wait. Right foot, jeez. I'm getting a foot cramp.
Tennessee whiskey. Tennessee whiskey. Tennessee whiskey.
Ready, Mom? Mom, are you ready? Not yet.
Mom, me.
Should have gone out with that guy.
I can get you again.
Yeah, Riley. Go, bro.
Sebastian! Love this song. Wait. Hey, what's up?
Hey, it wasn't recording. Oh, look how cute they are. Cousins. Oh, they're so cute.